Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the email address on your account. So let's get started. First, log into your account with the email it is currently under. Once you have logged in, click the person icon in the top right corner and click Account from the menu. Scroll down to the bottom to find your email address. To the right, click the blue Edit button. Put in the new email you'd like your account to be under, and enter your password to confirm the change. Once all that is set, click the blue Update Email button. Your email will then be updated and you can use it the next time you log into your account. If you run into any issues or you get a message that says that your email is already in use, please contact us for more help. That's it for this video on how to change your email address. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.